Hello, everybody. So in my best self. It's slightly still today, so I'm wearing the scarf and not very dressed as you know. I don't like to dress up for a video. So we are today standing, and you can see that's the horizon, and that's the moon. It's a nice, lovely moon. There's nothing new. So what I'm trying to locate is my okay. There are fireworks today, so it's Victoria Day tomorrow. There were fireworks happening over there, and we are doing a little gardening. আমাদের বাগান শুরু হয়ে গেছে on all this tension going on in the world. This is a small detour for us. This year my son is doing the bagan. Where was that firework? This year, so we are doing small plants. Let me introduce you to them. This is hot peppers. It's very dark, so maybe now you won't be able to see much. This is hot peppers. This is thyme. This is again hot peppers. We're getting a lot of hot peppers and chili peppers. You can hear the fireworks elsewhere, and that is Ronnie trying to, and that's my painting. ছোট্ট একটা table lamp which is defunct and now outside. This is a small corner of happiness. I suggest, despite all the problem around, you find your own small happiness and get yourself tension free, because at the end of the day you cannot do anything. You have to wait for this to pass, and this too shall pass. Okay, I'll focus the moment we see fireworks on the sky. So meanwhile, so we have a lot of hot peppers, and this one is serrano. This is also some kind of a chili plant. So we've got lots of. Oh, there they are. Okay, that's a lake shore. There's a Lake Ontario over there. So okay, now you see some of the fireworks on that corner over there, in that corner. There will be more fireworks as the evening goes. The sunset over here, and we also have, this is tomatoes. This is just a leaf plant. This is I think rosemary, and these are, my son is just planting the lovely plants, so we got plenty of them. Oh, there they are. Oh, I got you, finally got you some fireworks. These are the famous fireworks of Canada, like they say. Sorry, they're out of focus now. I don't know for what reason this phone goes out of focus sometimes. Okay, now it is in focus. Okay, so that's just tiny. These are the potting mix. Oh, that's so nice. that's like one set done for the day. Now the sun is completely gone. It's almost 9 o'clock now in the evening. So the sun takes in summer actually the sun 9:30. So that's the routine. We get a lot of sunlight. We get a lot of light, and it's very happy in summer, like it is dreary in winter. So in summer, there's 3-4 months we are living in absolute happiness. It kind of makes up for all the dreary winter months that we go through. Okay, so that's the thing. So see you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh God.